What's up guys, I'm back with another video and today I'll be showing you how to play Gamecube games on your computer. Let's get to it. For this tutorial, I'm assuming you already have Dolphin installed as shown in the previous video. Adding a game is the same as before if there is no game listed, like this. If you already have a game, then it's a bit more complicated. You have to click on Options, then Configure, then Paths, then click Add, and then just search for your folder. I'm going to make a new one here. I'm just going to call it Gamecube Games. After that, you can just move the game to the folder that you created. Changing the controls is practically the same. Just click Controllers, Configure, and change it to your liking. That's it. Now you can easily play Gamecube games on your computer. That's all for today, and see you next time. Bye!